How to get TikTok account unbanned. Now, since we no longer have access to our TikTok account because it is currently banned, what you want to do is just to use any preferred web browser on your device and then just simply type in TikTok support. Now, it is usually located at the very first result. Just simply tap on that. So you'll be redirected to support.tiktok. Then from here, just scroll all the way to the bottom part of this page, and then just simply tap on Help Center under Resources. From here, just scroll down a bit until you go into Safety field. Now tap on Report a Problem, scroll down once again, and then just head directly into Report Another Issue. Now, our main goal here is to go into that specific form where we can, manually type the specific issue that happens in our account. Now, go into online reporting form, and then this is where you will have to input your credentials so that you will be provided with a resolution accordingly. Under topic, just simply choose on account ban or suspension, and then from here, just simply follow the on-screen prompts so that the TikTok customer service will get back to you. And that is how you get TikTok account unbanned.